Try to be quiet.
Oh my god, dude, they're right there.
Are those skunks?
I think they might.
Stop, stop. Oh, dude, they're little coyote pups. Oh,
Oh my god, they're coyote puppies. Dude.
oh,
They're
oh.
coyote puppies. Oh, coyote puppies. I know, you hold on to it. I'm filming it.
Come here, buddy. Oh my god. I can't believe this. We found coyote puppies.
I'm gonna touch one, yeah?
I'm gonna pick one up.
They're gonna squeal, don't.
Oh yeah, this. Oh my god.
Don't.
Oh my god, I can't believe we found coyote puppies. Look at that one over there. I thought they were little babies.
Oh my god.
Oh, they're so cute.
How old are they? Like, maybe 2 weeks?
They're they're like just born, dude. Oh.
Dude, I'm scared if the mama comes around.
I know, but still.
We're screwed.
Shh, be quiet. Oh, dude. They're sleepy. Look at that one.